Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, tonight I am doing a modified bloom on this 6x6 wooden canvas cradle. Wooden cradle. It's on my spinner. And I finally got some new pillow paint, which I'm excited to try. It's color to go, and it's white. It's called Extra White. And it has a nice consistency. I think it'll be good. I did a little practice, and it seemed like it was fine. So I'm just gonna pour some on. Scrape it off on here. All right. I've got some pretty colors that I'm still trying to use up my old paints, so I'm getting there. I'm almost ready to make a new batch. This is satin. All right, center this. Okay, so the colors are, I've mixed a few together. So this one is a Sheleeart Extreme Sheen Coral. This one is Metallic Red by Artist Loft. And what did I put in this? Oh, I put a little bit of red pigment that I had a tiny bit left in a pigment container, and it was, I believe it was a red, oh, this one here, maraschino. So it's just a little bit added to the metallic red. Okay, I have my gold, Pebeo iridescent gold. I'm putting it in the middle. No, yeah, that is my Pebeo gold. I have two favorite golds, the Pebeo iridescent gold and 24 karat gold by Sheleeart. And this one is this little piggy Athenia. And I added a little bit of the gold, my gold to this. So it's a goldy pinky color. And now I have some rose quartz and Persian rose together. Amsterdam Persian rose. Sheleeart rose quartz. Okay, I'm going to use white. And Payne's Gray. I think I'll use my mini blower this time. Oh, that's pretty. Let that middle come back. Okay. Oh, that gold and the pink is really pretty. Trying to get the middle unstuck. Here we go. Okay, well, let's embellish this. Okay. Just add some more paint here. Let's give it another spin. Upsides down, I might have one corner negative space. Well, the sides are almost covered. I might have to work on that a little bit. I think we're good. Okay, I don't think this is moving anymore. I love the pink and gold. I need more gold. That pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching. And yeah, give pink and gold a try. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. And comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Have a great day, everyone, and the dried result will be at the end. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dry, it's not quite dry, my canvas board, 6x6. It's drying good. Sides are all dry. Didn't move. It's looking great. Thanks for watching and have a good day.